Is your home's air quality making you feel stuffy and sneezy? Dust, allergens, and pet dander can really mess with your health and comfort. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. Filtrete Air Filters from 3M. In this video, we're diving into why Filtrete filters are the best-selling brand on Amazon from 3M. Discover their awesome benefits and see why they're the top pick for cleaner, healthier air in your home. Filtrete filters aren't your run-of-the-mill air filters. They use a cool 3-in-1 technology that traps and locks away dust, allergens, and even tiny particles, giving you cleaner, healthier air to breathe. With a 300 MPR and MERV 5 rating, your Filtrete filter will help capture many particles from the air passing through it. Whether you're dealing with allergies, pet dander, or just want better air quality, there's a Filtrete filter for you. Worried about airflow restrictions? Filtrete's unique design ensures great airflow while still capturing those pesky particles, so you can breathe easy without straining your HVAC system or your wallet. Say goodbye to frequent filter changes. Filtrete filters last up to 3 months, saving you time and money. Don't just take our word for it. Filtrete filters have been rigorously tested and proven to effectively reduce allergens and improve indoor air quality. See what real users are saying about their experience. Ready to upgrade your home's air quality? Find the Amazon best-selling filter for your needs and start breathing easier today. Click the link below to check it out. Remember, clean air is essential for a healthy and comfortable home. Invest in Filtrete filters and feel the difference for yourself. Grab your Filtrete filters today. We've got a direct link to Amazon in the description below for easy shopping and fast delivery. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips.